So here at ICS, our school is built on 4 core values. They are biblical worldview, academic excellence, personal excellence, and our caring community. The small class sizes and really neat student-to-teacher ratio is something that I know a lot of our students really appreciate. It allows you to make those deep connections to the students to find out who they are outside of the academics. I teach CrossFit every morning, 6 a.m. I wake up at 5, I come here, and it's the best part of my day.
Academic excellence is really at the core of what we do here at ICS. We have an American curriculum that's tailored to our unique context here in Singapore. We're an advanced placement, or AP school, which means that students can take college-level courses, and if they score high enough on the exam, they actually receive college credit for that course. Our high school counselor can work closely with each student to customize their schedule that's tailored to their specific interests and abilities. As we look at student data from the past 3 years or so, we see that ICS students regularly outperform their peers around the world. We provide feedback, we support them so that they can reach their full potential.
The caring community for us is broken down into both inward care, the care within our own community, but also outward care. A great example of outward care is in a couple weeks' time we have our Week Without Walls. Even in the pandemic, our students are able to head out and serve places like Willing Hearts, serve at the beaches. Under normal circumstances, a lot of our teams would be heading out to the Philippines, to India. We have a history of working with a lot of different NGOs and organizations that are in different countries around the world. If I summed up being a caring community, it's unconditional love and respect for everybody.
Caring community and academic excellence definitely do work together. Each student feels supported and safe in their classrooms. We really are all here working together to support each other and to help each other do our very best.